gotta go. I meant to wake up at 7. Not at this time, but it's fine. But I'm gonna put some clothes on, and then I gotta go inside to the gas station to brush my teeth, do my skincare, and then we gotta head out since I cannot go back to sleep and I gotta pee really bad. I have to pee bad. So look at my freaking hair. Wow, wow, wow. It's fine. I can't go in here like this because I gotta put a jacket on. But yeah, I'm gonna look in the mirror real quick. Yes, I bought a mirror for the. Ooh. This is the mirror, and it turns on too, so it's kind of cool. It's a little bright though. Yeah. And my skincare. Oh, my toothbrush is in the front, so I gotta go grab that. I should brought a towel. Back in the car because I have to floss my teeth and didn't have it. Gotta take care of your teeth still. With mouthwash. It is currently 6:18. An hour earlier than I would like to wake up, but it's fine. We're up. We're gonna put this car together. So yeah. I have to go all in the back. Okay. Grab my comb. A brush. Put the seat up like that. Alright. I got everything situated. The bed is in the back. Everything's charging. My clothes is there. My food's on there. Water. Blanket. Obviously the things I need to grab immediately. Chargers. Bag. Brush. Bonnet. And yeah. Now we're ready to go. Almost there. Taking a little break, 30-minute break. I'm like 3 hours away. I'm just sit there. Whew, it's hot. It's hot in the car, but it's actually kind of cool outside. It's actually really windy too. Very windy. Yeah. I'm actually pretty thirsty too. But yeah, I'll see you when I get there.
Tickets twice.
Okay, after several hours of driving, first I went to the city with no plan of knowing where I'm going. So I went on the freecampsite.com and found this. I'm so flustered right now because the altitude here is really high. But look, it's so pretty. And I accidentally drove like farther up, even though the sign says not to, but I didn't see the sign. And then as I was going up, I realized there's like a bunch of snow and ice, so I couldn't go up there. So I went back down here. So thankfully this is the only spot besides that one over there. But there's people over there, so. But yeah, I got my battery and it's charging right now. It's at, percentage wise, we're at 12%, but it's only charging at 6 watts, so we need some more sun. But yeah, not too bad. Anyway, so I'm gonna go up here for like a day because there's not that much service. Obviously there's no service up here. Clearly. Oh, I have a little service. I don't know if you can. Okay, let me see if I can do that. Let's see what I can do. It's a little slow. It's not really doing. But hopefully I can get some work done tomorrow. If I can, I'll just stay here. But like I didn't know it was gonna be snowing. Or at least snow here. Or at least like a lot of ice. I did not know that. But it's okay. I'm gonna set my bed up real quick. I wanna move my car. I wanna make it face this way. But then it's like the sun, you know? So I don't know. Because it kind of goes like downhill from here. Also, this thing says no parking, I guess. So I don't know. I guess they mean no parking beyond this point, so. Which I would love to, because that spot right there is perfect. That one there is perfect too. But this would just have to do, because there's ice up there. I can't get up there. What a mess. Oh my god. I gotta go inside. I'm struggling. I'm gonna do a car tour in a second. I can't even talk. At least the sun is sunning, so that's good. Got a decent spot to stay at. It's not bad. There's people here. Oh. Peel it back like a banana peel. Ew, it looks gross. Ew. Oh, it's a string. I was like, what is that? Disgusting. Turn these out. Okay, gotta figure out what I'm to dispose of this at. Alrighty, so I just put the potatoes in there. The rest of the meat's in there for later. I'm gonna eat it off of here because, yeah.
Gordon will have intermarriage between black and white. Your wife doesn't love you.
You're revolting. Do you know why we left Chicago?
Make sure I clean it well so I don't eat soap.
Hey, Violet.
It's me. It's currently 8:37. I'm reading from my Kindle. Finally got some time to read. I usually read like 3-4 books a month, but I've only been reading this one for the entire like month. I've been just so busy, but I have time. There's no service up here, so, and I just finished, well, I didn't finish watching that movie I was watching earlier, but because my computer's about to die, and I don't want to use up my battery because it's a whole mess. Like, let me just tell you, it's a mess right now, but we're gonna get it together. I should have charged my power station while I was driving, so it would have been fully charged. But it's okay. Lesson learned. I didn't want to use my car because I didn't want my battery to drain. But it's better to drive while it's charging. But I'll do it tomorrow. But yeah, this is what I'm gonna be doing until I go to bed. I'm probably gonna go to bed early tonight because I'm extremely tired and I have a headache and I've been driving all day and I'm ready to go to sleep. So I'm probably gonna go to bed at like, I'm gonna be like old lady, like 9 or 10 o'clock, maybe 10. I don't usually go to bed at 10 o'clock, but I go to 10. But yeah, bye.